hesitate to take that off.
Got him. Oh, he came off. Trying to do a test here on equipment. Nice.
Wait, or a car. What was that car? We gotta get the picture.
Yeah, let me get the net.
Oh, shoot, we're screwed. I gotta get. Can you turn the boat?
Which way?
Go that way with the
Okay.
because he's over on this side of the boat.
Go that way?
Go turn it around this way.
I am.
Oh crap! I don't know if he's in the weeds really bad. Roll the door. Ready? Yeah. Nice catch. Okay.
Let me get my phone. Don't get your fingers by his teeth. Oh, you slimed the shite out of my head.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dang. So slimy. So slimy. Okay, good. With the teeth. Ready? Stinks.
They do stink. I'll get it on here.
Got me blood.
Drew blood on
kind
you?
of one of these.
Yeah. Sorry, I should have warned you.
Okay, let me get if I have any hope of this fly or if I should just give it to him.
No. I'll give him that. I got a logger one, I think. That's
Oh,
cool.
look at that. God dang. Did you hear that crunch?
Did it get you?
No, he went on the forceps. Son of a... Dude, I ain't doing this.
I'm telling you, you got to be keeping your fingers away from that. Here.
Here, I got spreader
Trade
rig.
me. Okay. Spreader rig.
Here's the spreader rig. Ooh, that stinks. Good night. It stunk up your net.
Yeah, that's why it's fun to catch one.
That's it. I'm good now. Gee. I thought it was cool there for a minute.
It is cool to catch one.
Wow. It turned from cool to hell. I gotta look at that fly. I'm pretty sure the leaders. Man, I sucked those forceps in there.
Yeah.
I can't believe you didn't hear it. It's like, whoa.
I heard it. No, it went.
I was like,
And then you went.
no.
Then you're like, no, I'm not getting. This is not a long enough forcep.
Golly, I can't believe how my excitement turned to terror. Moments. Oh, I never caught a gar, and I never want to again. Okay, you wanted variety, you got variety. I don't know, people post on Instagram what's interesting to them. I put fish, other people put coffee. To each his own.
Some people put enormous stits.
Oh,
You get him?
call him. It's called enormous stits when things get slow. Yeah, bass like this fly.
Yeah, things producing. It's a good call on your part.
Okay, you want this?
Keep going, man.
What are you talking about? Keep going.
You got a gar's a negative.
And I was like, what the hell? How can you screw this up, you know? You're in. Largie. Flounder. Sheepshead. It's pretty good. I like what this rod's doing. You might want to try throwing it.
All right, I'll throw it for a change up.
It's got
You need the grips?
leavings of something in his throat.
Oh, is it whiskers?
Almost, yeah.
Then it'd be
Crawdad?
no, shrimp.
Okay, that's what it is.
Shore lunchtime. What'd you do? Just catch like 3 fish in a row?
Well, largemouth. Got a nice big trout. Now you've got a nice big redfish.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of variety.
And they pointed out how we got this whole marsh to ourselves. It's crazy. As far as you can see, there might, over the horizon, there might be one boat. Awesome. Yeah, nice.
Baby. Come on,
Is that a
baby.
red?
It's a right red thing.
Keep it tight. We need that bass if it's a bass.
Ready.
Oh, yeah, on the dry line. On the dry line.
That's a nice little copper top.
Little pumpkin head. I know. 17-pound test, 8 weight, I'm forcing him like a. There you go. Beautiful fish.
That's not a rat. That's probably
No.
going to make the stretch.
Yeah. Pretty.
That might be a half sheller.
I don't know what the slot is. Alright. Behind you, open the bag and I'll put him right in there. There's enough meat, I think.
Is that Hopedale? No, that's Shelby. We made it back.
Let's take away from the pictures I sent. I love that you and Scott were twinning with the blue today.
We were what?
Twinning with the blue today.
Oh,
I guess we had blue shirts.
yeah, that's true. Mine was lighter blue though.
Does Mr. Go?
Yeah. All right.
But then you go 10 feet.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, there he is.
Nice. Is that red?
Got it hit really good. Now the way he's fighting tells me largemouth. But perfectly shaped. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's got a perfect
Hold
shape
it.
and another good warrior.
Yep.
Unceremoniously.
Exactly.
Again, with this one, because it's lighter weighted,
Nice.
and because it has a weed guard, I feel more confident as to what's a hit and what's not a hit. It's definitely getting.
Then.
You want to stay with this rig, or are you gonna go with the pop drop? I'll catch one more in here right quick and turn it over to you. Yeah. Like I said. Whoa.
Nice fish, bro.
What a size deer.
What?
I put him in your lap. It might occur to him to go ahead and take it off of there for me. Did you get retied?
Not yet. Keep going.
Chuck him and duck him.
That's a fish. Right in front of little Trinache.
Kind of panfish out here.
Oh, something's coming for it. There he is. Got him. You can see the wake. Oh, he threw me.
Oh, I pounced You go to, yeah, the leaves or...
There he is. Ooh,
Awesome.
it's not a bad. Oh,
Skip over here. You have to straighten it. Bring him right here. I'm gonna hook him right back in there. That's a nice, easy caught.
thank you. That's good.
You want that?
All good in the hood. Nice.
Again, right there, and I did this. Did you see it?
Yeah, jigged him.
It popped up from the bottom.
Jigged him up.
Oh, sea trout. See it?
Was it?
Yeah. I know, it looked like a largemouth, right?
It did.
Our magpie, by the way.
That was beauty. That was nice.
Fatty. Fat stir.
That's a good one right there. That right there is a good bass.
That's a big bass trick right there. Oh! Damn it.
Treated you like a gar.
He twisted the hook right into me.
Just gotta work. Come on. I have confidence in you.
Therefore, let's bend to my will fish.
There it goes.
Droppered him, huh?
Yeah. Bass.
Long tooth.
Little bassy.
You want me to make it easier for you if I release him?
I got it. There's the one. Better. All right, I'll come out of here. Oh, that was a nice snag. Oh, he came off. 2.5, 1.5. Oh, oh, oh. Something, yeah. Here he is tapping. Got him.
There you go.
All right. Find us that red in here, buddy. I got you in here.
Why not me? So you want me to use a different one, right? You don't.
And all that. I'll just stick it in here.
You get 1.5?
That was great.
Let me just try it one time. Oop. Switched it again. Again, he's on. Wow, that's on the middle. Interesting. Can you like kill it there and try that same thing?
Okay.
Get onto a...
That's a good one. I love that. See him turn sideways on your hook set. I like that one.
Weight-wise, that's the biggest one I've caught.
Yeah, love it.
1.5, maybe.
Yep.
Pushing 2, maybe. Here.
There's one noodling over there on the edge.
Trying to get his sore jaw taken care of.
Could be. Nice. Oh. So,
This thing's
before you go,
lousy with bass.
I catch bass all the time, brother. I want to finish this out and find some reds though, unless there's some in here.
But we know we're in them.
We're in them. Oh, it's good bass.
King at my bass hole today.
Always been a bass holer.
Yeah. Chunky monkey. Oh, what the?
I did not know we were going bass fishing when I showed up this trip.
I know.
Got him. There he is.
Green, gold hue.
It's looking good to me right here. Got him. Good fish. Yeah, that's a good red. Oh, I'm in trouble. Trying. Yeah, it's throbbing. Damn it. Not yet.
There you go. That's what you've been looking for.
Feels like about the size of your last one yesterday. Maybe a little smaller.
4-pounder. Cool.
Reel in?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, because you had your deal out. Sorry.
There you go, brother man. Thank you, sir.
At least 4 pounds. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. All right. Poke is the way to go.
Yeah. Your process.
Kick, he did. Well now. Half a celebratory.
I just got to place it in front of a
Nice.
golden beauty.
Is that a golden butte? No, it's a good bass though.
Oh. Yeah, that's a good bass fly.
Oh,
Oh, what the heck is going on? What the heck? I touched that thing.
strip set. Quit trout setting.
You know, I'm in the bucket. Okay, they're in. Some damage. There he is.
Just when you questioned yourself.
I think I might shake him off. Put some slack into it for him.
That's what happens when you caught so many. Got him. Got him.
Red?
No. Largie.
Oh, I know. I'm just straight right down the road.
Dave is fishing, and he's thinking about snagging this gator, right? Right.
I will put a hook in him.
There, he's gonna go for him. They went across his back. Oh, he went down. He lined him.
Not like inside where there's all different kinds of fish.
Right.
Oh, there's one.
Nice, nice.
One.
That's a beast. That's a beast, my brother.
One kind of fish.
Ah.
In the cut. In the cut. How often? Okay, ready?
Yeah. Look at that blue tail.
Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome, beautiful. Whew.
Nice job.
In the cut, Scott. Seems like they're always in the cut.
Yep.
Oh, he's beautiful. Look at that.
Golly, yes. I'm gonna get phone pictures of this one.
Broken. I've used before. Wait, that might be. I don't think I'm out of your box or my box.
Was it on the dry patch?
A little rust on the hook is what I was.
Okay. It's all right. Is a hook point? I think those are stainless hooks, though. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. They're the old Gamakatsus. Got him. It's not as big as puppy.
Wait, red?
I don't know.
I almost thought I saw some floundy there. That'd be cool.
That would be cool, but I don't think floundies fight like this. Trout?
Silvery. Trout.
Trouted.
Right. Well,
Let me get a good picture finally.
You put the net away, right?
No, we don't. Yeah. Bolga.
Yeah, where's it?
Right here.
Oh, perfect release. You're
Oh,
in.
okay. We still haven't got a shot of a picture of one though.
I know.
On the watch, it's an hour.
Oh, what?
It's an hour less than that.
Okay. Let's see the blood. You got a crack in your watch.
No, I think it's a plastic cover on the face.
Wow. 1 hour left. I think that's perfect. See if I can eat some shit.
Got your butt.
Hey. Told you.
You did tell me. I don't need it.
There you go. Get in the cabbage. Oh.
I've actually fought fish before, brother.
Really? Couldn't tell. Alright, let's do a number on this dude. I got one look at him. He looked like, I don't know, 5 or 6? Is he bigger than that?
It's hard to tell. Now you jinxed me. I'm probably going to break off. Love the head shaking. Well, that's a bigger fish.
Yeah, it looks bigger now. Spasmodically.
Just gonna let him play himself out in this
I will
little.
say this one's prettier than mine. Looking better all the time. Yeah. And you really, the fight, you don't really necessarily know.
Right. I think yours was street rattled.
Good. You're doing okay, buddy. You're doing all right.
Dave, is there anything I can do better right now?
Yeah, focus up. Focus up.
I think I got it behind the gill plate though.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. You might want to.
That'll make him roll over at some point.
Yeah, something's wrong. It's tangled in something like his gill plate.
I saw the fly in the mouth.
Yeah. See that?
No.
Watch you don't cut the line with his gill plate.
Yeah, it's in there. Okay,
Nice, brother.
beautiful.
He's a fat fish.
Gorgeous. What a perfect. What a scar on him, man.
Love that. Love that.
Wild critter. Wild. Oh, you got him in the rubber. He wasn't going any place.
Good guiding.
Right. That's a good guy.
You get partial take. All right, that's good. Here he goes. He kicked.
Woo! Great job. Great job.
You know, I'm totally with you. If I was pulling along right now, trying to spot fish, I'd be wanting you to cast like this. Why wouldn't I put my client in as many opportunities?
Yeah.
Plus, give him something to do.
Give him a chance, man. Give him a chance.
I can still.
Oh, crap! I was screwing around. I think that thing was laying on the bottom, Scott.
I guess so.
Or maybe when I first picked it up. Uh-oh. No. Should I
Behind-
not let him get back in there?
No, you got it.
No,
He'll come out.
And he tips.
He'll come out.
Feels really heavy.
Put the rod tip down and pull him under it.
Right.
You asked for tips.
Banter is almost as good as fishing, but not really.
Not quite.
You could have cabbage attached to it. Could just be a large bodied animal.
And he is trying to shake you off.
He is. Oh man, I'm putting that 12 pound to the limit. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, big boy. Whoa. Dragon ball.
It's funny how I was just saying I would want you to be making these casts. Oh, that's a good fish. Woo, it's a good fish.
Still super heavy. Super heavy.
This is a great view here. I can see his head and mouth.
I don't know if you picked it up while I was laying there or when I finally got my jizz net.
It's crab grubbing.
Let the drag do some work here. Look at that. He wants up in there so bad. Woo! Pretty long.
Yeah. I love this. God, I love this.
It's the best. It's the best. What you came for. God granted us a day we could do it on.
Head shaker.
Head shaker! He's a big head shaker. Shoot him! Shoot him! Not looking that giant. Dang.
I'm going to ask you to.
You're gonna bogey this one.
All right. It's
What do you
like I like the filming. Here we go. I'm getting down.
Silvery.
Ah, yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Did I spook him?
Is the trolling motor running right now?
It is, because it's a sea anchor.
Oh, he's going right for it. Oh, wow. That's close.
I'd tap the button if he did.
Good.
Don't pick him green, brother.
The line leader loop. That's another reason I love these braideds. It's a clean loop. I know, huh? I feel like I ought to be getting them in, but
You got nothing but time now. He's wide in open water, so wear him down a little.
I know you're missing fishing time here. And I just
Not at all. Come on. That's like the lamest reason.
Oh, here he goes again. Right by the.
The shoulders on this fish.
Uh-huh.
Let out a little line.
I don't want to get my tip involved up here. I have landed fish before.
Jinxed myself so badly.
There you go. Wait. Not yet.
I got him.
Okay.
I got him.
Oh, just that thing's gonna pop.
I got him. I have landed fish before.
I've boated fish before. That's a beautiful fish. Got it?
Yeah.
This. Did this. Oh, fell out. Fell out. Didn't even get past the barb.
Wow. Got it.
All right. It's my lunch fish. Look, it's perfect, man. Check this spot on the other side. Ah, that's it. Okay, I was gonna do the hero shot.
You're already my hero.
Yeah. Oh, God, that was uncomfortable. Right there, let's go. That's awesome. If I get your phone. They're a cool bird.
Mm-hmm. You wanted to almost landed on your rod.
White pelicans and brown pelicans. Beautiful. Beautiful. And a lone duck. I don't know what he's thinking. Cormorant. Not the most graceful of flyers, mind you, but beautiful. Automatically a mullet.
I feel like this one has got some jaspers in it.
Ooh, Jasper.
Yeah.
A Jasper.
Is it?
Yeah. No, it's not a jack, he's a red. But he called the shot. Of course, we talk all day long.
Exactly.
Eventually you're gonna call.
You say it enough times.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what it is, Scott. Fighting funny. Maybe I just haven't caught up with this full. Yeah, that's the problem. Said we were going towards him. Come back out here. I want you out here. Come on back out here. Come on, Jasper.
I
Are you
hope
talking
it's
about a jack? Or are you just talking about a fish?
Jasper, Sheepshead.
Oh. Okay, now we go. Now we go. Now we're gonna fight. Ooh, displaced some water.
Just felt extra good about this one because there's so much activity.
Yeah, life. He's fighting funny though. I wouldn't be surprised if it was a drum of some kind. But not. Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. Thank goodness. Good grace. Andy Mill says, down and dirty. Booger red. Oh, yeah, little green. Okay.
Oh! The tippet, where it was rough.
Right. He's talking about the
Yeah.
loop. Yeah.
I barely pulled on it. That was nice though. I count.
I got pictures of a lot. Got him.
Nice. Nicely done. Bassmaster Classic.
Put him on the reel. Okay. I'm doing this because I assume we're leaving now.
We are leaving. Let me get a last shot of this. Ah, yeah, baby. I'm out of juice on my phone. Just hold it up to this. Beautiful. Wait, let me take a picture. Oh, you got it on both of them.
That little. Okay.
Job. Fun trip. Don't pull me over. I got no leverage.
That's my hope.